Yeah, morning again. For those of us here on the island, Jamaica, man. Good morning. This morning I'll be at the garage. KM Jamaica TV. Yeah. This is the rock and pinion, you know. You know, you rock along. The steering, yeah. You control with the steering. So the front end here, we're looking at the front end. So this is the garage. You come and get your front end repair in Mandeville. Right, it's kind of out of Mandeville town, Newport Road. What I'm telling you is like the place to come. Certified Toyota. Yeah, this is a Toyota RAV4, innit? So, but any vehicle repair, the boss mechanic here, my bridging on at the bottom. He's gonna help me with understanding, yeah man, more about the vehicles, yeah. So I'm gonna take a short course in mechanics, in front end repair. At least to know, you know, for the ladies like our persons, even the junk virgin, they might want to know much about cars. It's Andy, you know, this is CV boot, CV giant boot, they have 2 years, yeah. So when they tell you CV giant, ladies, this is what they're talking about. Our junk, our virgins, and your shocks, your suspension. This is what give the car a ride, that nice, you know. So you come and rock and pinion, important, very important for the steering of the vehicle, yeah man. So you come here, you can't call the boss name, because the garage doesn't have a name, you know. We're holding this garage, not the Prime Minister, you know. Own this garage, old Newport Road. You come and say, man, get your vehicle repair right here. It's like organized thing, you know. So we are dealing with the production, which is to get the vehicle then repaired. Because you know it's technical. Rock and pin is a technicality, you know. Yeah. So the boss is working on rock and pinion right now. Work on engine too, gearbox, you know, transmission. I work on gearbox.
Right? You know, tell me that, you know, tell me that, you know, talk to me like so when the car just this steering so I give him trouble. And you know, tell me say I'm going to come out of blood class steering.
So guys, I might have to delete that. I don't know if he knew that I was coming. We might have to delete that. Well, I will go, I have to delete that one there, man. So, welcome, cause I was just saying to my friend, every day I need to at least, you know, be ready, keep posting. So welcome to the channel again, and I'm looking at the vehicles here. I'm looking at the vehicles here and looking at the parts here. Front end. Alright, so my friend is going to help me to learn about the front end, you know. Who to tell one day I might be able to repair front ends, repair rock and pinion and all these things. So guys, you see how the front end of the car, this is the part that the potholes, the bad road damages, you know. You have the rubbers, yeah, and the different joints and yeah man. Yep. So your shocks, this is the shocks for those like, you know, persons who don't know about parts, cars and all them things. You may say your shocks bad, but this is the place you come to get it repaired, you know, at Mr. My boss, you know. Yeah. Just link up, man. If you're in Mandeville, you know where to come, at Newport Road. Yeah, the front end, man. Yep. and mechanical, certified Toyota, yeah. This is a Toyota vehicle. This is our RAV4. See, you know, the braking system, the brake, and we learn as we go along, yeah, about the system, all the different systems, because like, you know, you have the body of the car, you know, and the engine and all the different parts. It's important to know the mechanism about the car. It's important to know the function, like as a new driver. Yeah, we must also use up with indicators and all them things there. Wiper blade, you know. Remember? Alright. Take it easy. See guys, see suspension out. Not joking, man. Sorting out this one here. Suspension out. Have the great blacks, you know? Yeah, man. The man do all of that. Drop suspension. So when I'm now more settled, we're gonna be start doing the tutoring. The tutor is here, you know. Don't mess about. The tutor is here and second. Waiting, man. So we're going to be looking into many things at the garage here in terms of front end and yeah, rock and pinion. Because we repair this one, you know, repairing it and replacing it now. Quick and fast. Engineer, mechanical engineer, man.